Hello everyone, welcome back. I'll continue quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a plane figure bounded by four straight lines. There are different types of quadrilaterals: parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. Then you have trapezium. A quadrilateral has four vertices. It has four sides and four interior angles. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degrees. So we use interior angles to calculate the value of unknown angle. Let's continue quadrilaterals. Exercise 27A. I have done some still question number 4. I'll be doing some more questions to complete this chapter. Question number 7. Question tells you that ABCD is a quadrilateral. There's no diagram, you have to draw it yourself. Let's take this figure ABCD as a quadrilateral. You have conditions given in the question. Angle C is equal to 64 degrees. Angle D is equal to angle C minus 8. So in order to find this angle C, you substitute the value of C. 64 degree minus 8 degree, which is equals to 56 degree. Angle A is given. Angle A is equal to 5 bracket A plus 2. Open the bracket and simplify it. You get 5A plus 5 into 2 is 10. Similarly, you are given with angle B is equal to 2 bracket 2A plus 7. Open the bracket and multiply it. 4A plus 7 into 4 is 7 into 2 is 14. These values of the angles we write in the figure. A is 5A plus 10. Similarly, B is 4A plus 14. C is 64 degree and D is 56 degree. You know all the angles of the quadrilateral. So we use the property sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. Substitute the value looking at the diagram. A is 5A plus 10. B is 4A plus 14. Angle C is 64 and angle D is 56 equals to 360 degree. Simplify this linear equation. Variables we added up, you get 9A plus. Add this numbers. 10, 14 is 24, 56 and 64 is 120, 441. So we have added value of all the numbers, angles, which is equals to 144 degree equal to 360. Now you simplify it. 9A is equal to 360 minus 144. 9A is equal to subtract 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 is left. 3 minus 1 is 2. A is equals to 216 divided by 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 times 7 times 2 times 3. 2 times is 6, 3, 4 times. A is equals to 24 degree. We know the value of A. Now question tells you that calculate angle A. Angle A is known here. It is 5A plus 10. 5 into 24 plus 10. 5 into 4 is 22. 5 into 2 is 10. 12 plus 10, which is equals to 130 degree. You can calculate B also by substituting the value of A. So you have condition A is given, B is given, C is given, D is given. Use sum of the angles of the quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. Substitute and simplify it. Look at question number 8. Question tells you that in the given figure, B is known, value of B is equals to 2A plus 15. C is given 3A plus 5 degree. Find the values of angle B and C. You have B here, C 70 and A. So what do? We know all the interior angles of the triangle. So we use the property A plus, or if you want to solve it, then better you write down the name A, B, C and D instead of solving directly from the figure. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. It will be much easier to identify the angles. A is known, which is equals to 70 degree. B is known A, C is B here, and D is C, equals to 360 degree. You cannot solve the equation with 3 unknown variables. 70 plus A is kept as it is. We know the value of B. B is 2A plus 15. Similarly, we know C in terms of A. 3A plus 5 equals to 360 degree. Now if you look at this equation, you have only one unknown variable A, 2A and 3A. Add these variables. A plus 2A is 3A, 3A plus 3A is 6A, plus add the numbers now. 70, 85 plus 5 is 90, equal to 360 degree. 6A is equal to 360 degree minus 90. 6A is equal to, subtract, you get 270. A is equals to 270 divided by A. 6. Cancel it. 3 2 times 3, 9 times 0. Cancel, you get 45. So A comes equals to 45 degree. We know the value of A. Now question tells you that calculate B and C. So B is equal to, it's already known, 2A plus 15. 2 multiplied by A, we got 45 plus 15. It is 90 plus 15, which is equals to 105 degree. Similarly, we can calculate C. Value of C is equal to 3A plus 5. 3 multiplied by 45 plus 5. 4, 5 into 3 is 15, 12, 13, 135 plus 5, which is equal to 140 degree. So again, this question is diagram based. You know the values. You cannot calculate with 3 unknown variables. So what do? We replace b by the given value, c by a given value, such that we get only one variable, and one variable can be easily calculated. Look at question number 11. You have to practice all these similar sums. Use the information given below to find the value of x. You have 80 degree here, 56, 3x minus 6. Look at this figure properly. We cannot use sum of interior angles of quadrilateral because one of the angle here is missing. It is unknown. So we use let, okay. Assume it as A, B, C, D and take it as E. Let angle CBA. Assume this interior angle as E. After the junction, if you look at the diagram, you get straight line when we add 70 and A. 70 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line, or we call it as supplementary angles or linear pair. A is equal to 180 minus 70. A is known 110 degree. We know the value. Now we use sum of the interior angles of quadrilateral. A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Substitute A, 56 degree. B is 80 degree. C is A and D is 3x minus 6 equal to 360 degree. Still you can't simplify because you have two unknown variables. 56 degree plus 80 degree plus A is already calculated 110 plus 3x minus 6 is equals to 360 degree. Add all these positive numbers. We can do addition at the side. 56, 80, 136, 110, 6, 4, 2. It is 246 minus 6, which is equals to 240. You write down the value here. 240 plus 3x equals to 360. Now calculate x from here. 3x equals to 360 minus 240 degree. 0, 2, 1. 3x is 120. X equals to 120 degree divides by 3. Cancel it. You get 40. We know the value of x. You can solve this same question using 60 degree here. Try this sum yourself, change the value. The last question from quadrilaterals. It is based on trapezium. In the following figure, quadrilateral, AB is parallel to DC. Angles are in the ratio. Calculate each angles of the quadrilateral. A, B, C and D. Parallel. Ratio of angle A is to angle D is even, which is equal to 4:5. Angle B is given, which is equal to 3x minus 15. Angle C is given, which is equal to 4x plus 20. We have to use the property of parallel line. Two lines are said to be parallel to each other if they do not meet on extension. A line which is intersecting these two parallel lines is known as transversal. And these two angles inside are called co-interior angles. An addition of these two co-interior angles is always equals to 180 degree. So what do? We use the property of parallel lines. These two angles, angle A and angle D, are co-interior angles, and sum of two co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Let angle A and angle D be 4x and 5x. We have ratio given. We assume it as 4x, 5x. Angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Remember this property, co-interior angles. A is 4x, 5x, 180 degree. 9x is equals to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 9, 20 degree. So we know x. Once we know x, we have to calculate A. Therefore, angle A, 4x, 4 into 20, which is equals to 80 degree, right in the figure. Angle D is equal to 5x, 5 into 20, which is equals to 100 degree. 100 degree. You know the value of B and C. So write down these two values in the figure. B is 3x minus 15. 4x plus 20. Use the property of quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree. A is 80, B is 3x minus 15, C is 4x plus 20, D is 100, equals to 360 degree. Simplify this. 80 minus 15. 65. 65 plus 20. 85. 85 plus 100 is 185 plus variables we added up. 7x equals to 360 degree. Take your other side. 7x equals to 360 minus 185. Subtract. 360 minus 185. 5. 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 7x is equals to 175. X is equals to 175 divided by 7. Divisible. 7 2 times 14. 3 is left. 7 5 times 35. X comes equals to 25. We know the value of x. Now we can calculate other two unknown angles. Angle B. minus 15. 3 into 25 minus 15. 75 minus 15. Subtract 60 degree. Similarly, we can calculate angle C. It is 4x plus 20. 4 into 25 plus 20, which is equals to 100 plus 20. We get 120 degree. And once you know these angles, you can verify whether your answer is correct or not. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. You have 100, 80, 180. Then you have 60, 120, 180. 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is always equals to 360 degree. I've been doing chapters according to the reduced syllabus, so please do not get mixed up. All the videos are based on reduced syllabus. Thank you very much. Stay safe.